time to ditch the soaker hoses and make the switch to something better. You see, the pros, they don't use soaker hoses. They use drip line and drip irrigation systems. And I'm going to show you the benefits of using one of these systems at home. First big advantage that drip systems have over soaker hoses is the durability. These are a much more sturdy plastic hose as compared to the flimsy and easy to break soaker hoses. And if you do get damage or a break to the drip line, it's very easy to repair it, and you can infinitely repair these systems compared to a soaker hose, which is going to wear out or break within a couple of years usually. Drip systems are also extremely easy to customize to fit whatever configuration your garden or containers need for watering. Not only are there different types of hoses that have different spacing of the emitters, but you can also customize each individual area that you are watering by adding more hoses or by adding individual emitters or micro tubing and stakes to your more thirsty plants. Let me just show you. This hose comes with built-in emitters that put out a specific amount of water and are pressure regulated. But if you do have a plant that needs extra water, you can actually punch into this hose and add an additional emitter. Hello. For your larger trees or for pots, you can use these adjustable stakes where you can put out more water or dial it down for less. Now, if your soaker hose springs a leak, you're kind of hosed. But if the drip system springs a leak, it's super easy to fix. Let me show you. First, shut the water off. Get you a straight fitting like this. Remove the damaged portion of the hose and then hook it right back together. So water your plants the way that the professionals do and use drip irrigation.